Top sources have told Times Now NDA is in a huddle ahead of the parliament discussion on Waqf Amendment Bill. JDU MP Sanjay Jha is currently meeting Home Minister Amit Shah. That's the latest update coming in. Top MP of Nitish Kumar's party is having a meeting with the Home Minister Amit Shah ahead of the big day tomorrow for the government, because tomorrow we are going to see tabling of the Waqf Amendment Bill in Parliament. And joining us are my colleagues on this big story. We have Rishabh as well as Mohit Bhatt joining us live. Rishabh, to you first. What more details can you share with us about this meeting that's currently underway between JDU MP Sanjay Jha and Home Minister Amit Shah?
Well, Hina, what we're given to understand that the meeting is over. Sanjay Jha just met Home Minister Amit Shah inside Parliament building. And remember, JDU is an important constituent of NDA, and there have been no committed responses on Waqf bill as of now from JDU. Even today, when we spoke to few senior JDU leaders, off camera, there is no commitment toward Waqf, and they do have their reservations. Definitely, even in JPC, JDU did put forward their reservations on various aspects of the bill. Now that it has been clarified by the government that the bill is coming in tomorrow in Lok Sabha, Sanjay Jha, who happens to be the national working president of JDU, also met Amit Shah, and the discussions were broadly around Waqf bill only. And remember, this is happening just ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections, which are scheduled to take place sometime in late October, early November.
Right.
And this bill will definitely have consequences on Bihar elections as well. And hence, JDU do want to understand that what it could be, it could come to them when it comes to the election. So definitely,
right,
there is a huddle happening. NDA wants the floor to be very sure about the bill tomorrow, and that's why when we say 293, they want the 293 to be voting in favor. Any walkouts could be an embarrassment for the government, and that's the reason that we see that JDU leader is meeting Home Minister in the Parliament House.
Right. Clearly, it is going to be interesting to see what happens tomorrow, because there are some allies of the BJP in the NDA who are keeping their cards very, very close to their chest about how do they feel as far as the Waqf Amendment Bill is concerned. Rishabh, for now, thank you for joining us.